Unlocking the mystery, the power of makeup remover. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential topic for all beauty enthusiasts and anyone who uses makeup. Use a makeup remover. Understanding this simple phrase is crucial not just for makeup application, but for maintaining healthy skin. Let's explore why it's so important and how you can integrate it into your daily routine. Stay tuned. Makeup remover is a specialized product designed to efficiently and safely remove makeup from the skin. Unlike regular soap and water, makeup removers are formulated to break down the oils, waxes, and pigments in makeup, ensuring that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. This is essential for preventing clogged pores, breakouts, and skin irritation. The phrase, "use a makeup remover," is not just a suggestion, it's a fundamental skincare step. Leaving makeup on your skin overnight can lead to several problems, including acne, dryness, and premature aging. Using a makeup remover ensures that your skin is free from these risks, maintaining its health and vitality. There are several types of makeup removers available, each suitable for different skin types and makeup applications. These include oil-based removers, best for waterproof and long-wear makeup. Micellar water, gentle and effective for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Cream removers, hydrating options ideal for dry skin. Wipes, convenient for on-the-go use but should be followed by a cleanser for a thorough clean. Using a makeup remover is simple, but doing it correctly is key to its effectiveness. Here are some steps. 1. Choose the right type of makeup remover for your skin and makeup. 2. Apply the remover to a cotton pad, cloth, or directly onto your skin, depending on the product instructions. 3. Gently wipe or dab the makeup off your skin. Avoid rubbing harshly to prevent irritation. 4. Follow up with a cleanser to remove any residual makeup and the remover itself, then continue with your skincare routine. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of using a makeup remover in your daily routine. Remember, healthy skin starts with proper makeup removal. By choosing the right product for your skin and using it correctly, you can keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on English language learning and skincare. See you in the next video.